Happy Fall Vlogtober Day, and today is Elise's life journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And today we're doing vlogs. I'm gathering materials to decorate the house and to make a costume. Now I'm gonna get something for you, Bojangles. It's Sunday. Gotta get something nice. Woo! Come on, man. You ain't got no signal like me. It sound like don't worry. No. So, what God says, I know the plans that I have for you, but that's for you to prosper, and nothing to harm you. Even though you may think that your time has passed, God is saving the best for last. Your future is greater than your past. So that means God has a purpose and a plan for everyone in their life. You will have to pursue, you have to follow God. And I'm particularly talking about Yeshua, Jesus. I had to get this pumpkin spice flavored cereal even though I'm shopping for decorations. So anyway, I'm using this water bottle to water my mums. I forgot how you say it, so I just call it mums. And I'm gonna use this water bottle for a costume. And here I got this and that, so that's like decorating balls. And then I got the I guess you call it the bowl from Dollar General. Both of them very nice. It wasn't too expensive. It was nice and affordable. You see, the fall colors match so nice. So I put it on the table. Now, like I said, I love my dollar shopping. So I got all these decorations from the dollar store. Except for the table runner. Dollar General, the table runner, and the candle. Then the rest of the decorations came from the dollar store. Like I said, I like shopping quick, easy, cheap. I buy my stuff like a whole season ahead of time. And while it's cheap, while it's out ahead of time, I just slowly gather this stuff and save them one by one until the seasons change for it. And there I have all my decorations. I always like buying my decorations a month before it changes. I had most of these decorations by August. So yeah, you see all that by August, September-ish. So I bought like the squash, the pumpkin, the carrots, the corn, the floor mat, the wall sign, and then we're going to use the costume, the water bottles from the costume. So this is quick and easy. I'm making the cat in the hat fish in a bowl. That's something quick, easy, and nice for the children to wear for Halloween, or even yourself as an adult. So all you gotta do, what I did was just trace the fish from the cat in the hat, the fish in the bowl. I colored it orange crayon right there, and a black ink pen. Then what you do is get a regular water bottle and you cut it in half. I cut it near the bottom. You can choose either side you want. We use a napkin to make sure it's dried out really well. Then you get a blue permanent marker, and it kind of looks like the blue permanent marker looks kind of like water. So what we did was that blue permanent marker, you color the inside of the plastic. And once you do that, you cut up a bunch of shreds of blue construction paper and you throw it inside there and stuff it in. You tape the fish to the side. Then you get hot glue gun and you hot glue gun it to a blue headband or bobby pin. And here you go. This is the finished results. Just tape, glue. Done. Nice, quick, and easy. I like gifts, especially gifts from Amazon. And if you want to get a gift from Amazon, you can have a chance to win this $25 Amazon gift card. All you have to do is like and subscribe to Elise's Life Journey. Click the link below. Comment on the violin cover video of Wind Beneath My Wings. And spread the word and help me get to 280 subscribers. That's all you have to do, and you have your chance to win the $25 Amazon gift card.